Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix phone date is inaccurate in WhatsApp right here in your iOS or Android. So let's begin. So here we are, and remember that you can also do the same steps if you are in your Android device. So from here, what we're gonna do is go into the settings of your device. So right here, and you wanna go into the search settings and simply type date and time right here. So for Android devices, it might be named differently, so it might just be date or just be time, but it's most likely date and time. So once you are here, you want to make sure that you set automatically, but in Android users, there are probably options that says set time zone automatically, so you would want to enable that and make sure to use the network provided time. So once you have made sure of this, then you can now check your WhatsApp and you can see that the problem has been solved. That is how easy it is to solve this problem. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.